Dr. Sudipta Roy, a truly multifaceted personality, was born on 25th May 1948 in Kashipur, Kolkata. He is the eldest son of his parents, Dr. Anil Kumar Roy and Mrs. Sarojini Roy. He started his academic career as a student of Boranagar Narendranath Vidya Mandir. Being a brilliant student in school, he secured admission for studying MBBS at RG Kar Medical College in Kolkata in 1965. He completed his diploma in anesthesia in 1974 and MD in anesthesia in the year 1978 from the prestigious IPGMER, Kolkata. In his youth, Dr. Roy, known in his locality as Papida, was a very popular person. Besides being a good student, Dr. Roy was an excellent sportsperson during his school and college years. Dr. Roy married Shapna Roy in the year 1981. Shapna Roy, who was a student of Benaras Hindu University, was an educationist. Dr. Roy is blessed with two very brilliant daughters. Dr. Shubesha Basu Roy is Professor of Gynecology and Dr. Shilpa Basu Roy is a cardiothoracic surgeon. After completing his studies, Dr. Roy got actively involved with the IMA as well as in general politics. He was elected as the member of Legislative Assembly for the first time in the year 1987. Later, he was elected to the Legislative Assembly for 4 consecutive terms from Srirampur constituency in West Bengal in the years 2009, 2011, 2016 and again in 2021. As a member of Legislative Assembly of Srirampur constituency for 4 terms now, he has contributed immensely in not only developing his own constituency but as an active member of various state health committees. He is helping the government of West Bengal in the development of healthcare, infrastructure and facilities for common people. Innumerable free medical camps and teams to manage and combat emergency situations like flood, famine and disease outbreaks such as malaria and dengue, etc. have been successfully organized under his leadership. Apart from this, his contribution in the field of social activities such as construction and upgradation of medical facilities, donation of ambulances to the municipalities and gram panchayats in the area, promotion of girl-child education, empowerment of underprivileged women, construction of roads, parks, street lights, development of schools and colleges, etc. are not only remarkable but also unique. After serving various posts in the IMA, he served as the editor of the IMA Journal for the period of 1999 to 2002. He was elected the national president of the IMA in 2005. As an active national president of IMA, Dr. Roy has been instrumental in formulating and implementing various medical policies and has brought great laurels by representing this body effectively in various national and international forums. In the year 2014, Dr. Roy was awarded Dr. B.C. Roy National Award by the then President of India, Sri Pranab Mukherjee, for outstanding service in the field of socio-medical relief. His lifelong service to Indian Medical Association is indeed praiseworthy. Dr. Roy is a travel enthusiast and has visited many places in different countries. One more thing to mention is that our Papida is very fond of sweets like pera and rasgulla. Srirampur Girls' High School shares a very special bond with Dr. Roy for not only being the local MLA but as a generous guide and well-wisher. He has always been with us in our times of need, and his sincere approach towards this institution is to be appreciated with earnest gratitude. In the year 2019, Srirampur Girls' High School was one of the privileged government-sponsored schools to start English medium section, and Dr. Roy inaugurated that program. He has lent his helping hand by granting money from the MLLH scheme in March 2020 for installation of submersible pump in the school premises to solve the drinking water crisis for the students of this institution. He spent his valuable time with the students and teachers on the occasion of Saraswati Puja organized by the school during the unlock period in the month of February 2021. Dr. Roy virtually addressed our Madhyamik and Higher Secondary 2020 toppers and encouraged them for higher studies. Personally, Dr. Roy faced a very tragic incident in his life when his wife passed away this year in the month of May. The members of Srirampur Girls' High School expressed solidarity with him in his time of grief. We earnestly wish to have his cooperation and benevolent approach towards our institution in the future ahead, and wish him success, happiness, and good health in the days to come.